A modern definition of leadership is that managers should act as coaches for their employees. Sounds great in theory, but in practice it's much harder. How do you ask the right questions? How do you make sure that your one-on-one meetings with employees actually are productive? And who actually gives you feedback so you can improve as a leader? That's where a free employee coaching software such as Echometer might come in. It's built specifically to support regular one-on-one meetings between managers and their employees, usually happening every 2 to 4 weeks. And in this video, I'll walk you through my 3 favorite features of Echometer. Let's go! Feature 1, the question library. Obviously, the tool lets both you and your employee prepare the agenda, take notes and track tasks all in one place. But what makes Echometer special? It's this library of coaching templates. For example, one template prompts reflection on whether someone's taking enough breaks. Another helps employees share what they expect from you as the leader. And this one here uses a visual to reflect how much they speak up in meetings. Which role do they play in the speech distribution? Simple prompts like these spark deeper, more human conversations that often wouldn't happen otherwise. Feature 2, Mood KPIs. Echometer also enables interactive reflection live during your one-on-one meetings. Your employees respond to short surveys, rating, for example, their satisfaction on a scale from 1 to 7. From there, you can dig deeper. Okay, why did you give this score? What's missing for you to be fully satisfied in your role? The software includes a library of health check-ins covering things like strengths, as you can see here, career development using this statement, and even how happy your team is with the feedback culture. And the nice side effect, if you ask these questions regularly, you are seeing trend lines of these KPIs, helping you identify burnout trends, etc. early on. Feature 3, the AI coach. This might be the coolest part. Echometer doesn't just record your one-on-ones and create summaries with action items, as you can see here. Its AI coach also highlights what you did well and gives feedback on where you should improve, like asking, for example, more open-ended questions. In other words, it's like having your own coach for becoming a better coach. There's a free forever version of Echometer you can try right away. You will find an exclusive link to their free trial below this video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.